This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Nelly Perez. Immaculate and well-loved home nestled on Cypress. Soaring ceilings and open, well-thought-out floor plan. Spacious kitchen overlooks the spacious. Formal dining and breakfast area. Primary bedroom down and primary bath with double sinks, separate shower and soaker tub. Huge closet. Upstairs game room with extra loft space provides an overlook to the living area below. 3 big bedrooms up. You will love the generous sized rooms throughout this home. Soft neutral paint and updated lighting throughout. Beautiful and big backyard cover area from side to side to enjoy this summer. The roof was replaced in November 2023. Come and see this beautiful piece that will not last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Nelly Perez at 281-392-9272.